stage because the rides are already operating. Because of the traffic today is a little delayed. So Charles is our rides supervisor here, and he's been here a long time and he knows these rides backwards and forwards. So if you have any questions, let him know.
How is the maintenance from the new system for Rocky Mountain construction compared with the old one, which is raw?
It's lovely. Any traditional wooden roller coaster construction, very difficult to maintain. Before we switched to Rocky Mountain, we were doing about 600 feet a year. And it's very, very difficult to maintain a consistent ride, right? It can be smooth, it can be rough. Most of the time it was rough. With Rocky Mountain, the steel track is much easier to maintain, and the ride's much more consistent. So you get the same ride regardless of time of year or time of day. So I like it much more.
And you have to change wood sometimes?
We do some work on the structure, but not nearly as much as we used to with Roar. Roar was very difficult and time-consuming to take care of. We were doing over 3,000 or 4,000 linear feet of wood used every year, and now it's very, very minimal what we have to replace. So it's much better for us.
Are you happy with the new Skylab coaster ride? So is it a coaster for you, or is it more like a flat ride?
It's a coaster for us. It's done well since it's open, so people like it. Have you guys been on it yet, or you just got here?
We just arrived 5 minutes ago.
Okay, so haven't been on anything yet. Is this your guys' first park so far?
Yeah.
You just arrived. Okay. Wow.
So it's the small tower, for example, and you're rebuilding of the Intermin coaster. So
Yeah.
do you have some backstories from this, for example, a few years ago, but is it your working time there?
For this one?
Yes. Because you had it you had two
It was
spikes.
186, and then we had to to 150 feet.
How was it to build? It was much work in a small area. So also the RMC to build it. It's like completely built up around. So it's very difficult to build new projects here in this area.
We probably wouldn't do anything else here. Obviously, Batman next year is going here where the go-karts are, and then from there, Batman will actually open up some more space on this side, and then we have plenty of room on the back side of the park to start building some things. So there's still a lot of space.
And do you have some backstories, some secret hidden stories about the changing of the system from Intermin?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing too much. Sorry.
Okay.
Other than we had to modify it. So, but it makes it unique. So,
Yes, of course, yeah.
right? It's the only one, and they don't build them anymore, so there aren't too many.
That's the only one with a hotline wall inside.
Yeah. And even this ride, similar to Roar with the wood, it's becoming very difficult to maintain because the systems were all first generation. They're very new, back in 2000, and so they're antiquated. They're 18 years old, and a lot has changed in 18 years.
Charles, in comment, what's your favorite coasters or place in the park? Because we don't have so much time, and you have the marine world and the sea and the animal world. Do you have some like secret place or very special place which we have to see before the sun is going down, for example, something like this?
Secret place. Is Butterfly closed already?
I think they close at 5. Yeah.
Butterfly's already.
Just one.
Okay.
Butterfly would have been my secret place.
Really?
Not a lot of people know about it,
Oh.
and it's very nice in there.
So you have a butterfly house.
Yeah.
It's already closed.
It's very nice. All the butterflies are from South America. Joker's my favorite ride though.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's really, really good. It's running well. It's only running one train right now, but it's like I said, it's consistent. So
Yeah, we have some. Thank you very much. Some extras today.
Do you recommend a certain seat on Joker? That's
back seat,
Back there.
very back seat, all the way back.
Is something disappearing in the next month or the next go-kart is disappearing? So do you have like big plans you can tell to us, or it's all secret because it's Six Flags and just one video and one date in August, everybody knows everything. So
All secrets.
yes.
I don't know anything except for go-karts. Go-karts is going away soon. Actually,
you guys are putting it somewhere else or no?
no. Go-karts is going away, so it'll be gone next month. Go-karts will close, and then we'll begin construction for Batman.
One question to comment, so it's not backstage. Is anything important closing earlier we have to know? So for example, is any coasters closing earlier or something like
I
this?
think the animal section already closed. It's 5 o'clock.
Animals
on
are
that
closed,
side.
but all the coasters should be running all night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also the
Yeah.
kiddie coasters in the back, because there are some
Yes, should all be operating.
Okay.
Perfect.
coaster, sorry.